Is your lawn gasping for air? Revive it with this dethatcher. Is your lawn looking a little lackluster? Thatch buildup could be the culprit. Let's explore how the Tiectown 2-in-1 Electric Dethatcher and Scarifier can help you breathe new life into your yard. This 16-inch dethatcher boasts a powerful 15.5 amp motor. It's designed to remove thatch and aerate your soil efficiently. The product, available on Amazon, currently sells for $199.96. The Tiectown Dethatcher combines two essential lawn care functions. It dethatches to remove dead grass and scarifies to loosen compacted soil. This promotes healthier root growth and a greener lawn. The 5-position depth adjustment lets you customize the dethatching and scarifying intensity. This ensures optimal results for different grass types and lawn conditions. The adjustable rod accommodates users of different heights. Switching between dethatching and scarifying is quick and easy. The quick-release blade mechanism makes lawn care more versatile and convenient. This saves you time and effort. Weighing only 30 lbs, this dethatcher is easy to maneuver and store. The foldable handle allows for compact storage in your shed or garage. It's perfect for homeowners with limited space. The robust 15.5 amp motor reaches speeds up to 3,600 RPM. The 16-inch rake path boosts dethatching and scarifying efficiency. This ensures quicker and more effective lawn care. The dethatcher includes a waterproof plug for safety and a cord clip for organization. The extension cord holder prevents tangling, making your work easier. Durable, wear-resistant wheels ensure smooth movement. A large 14.5-gallon removable collection bag simplifies debris disposal. This reduces the need for frequent emptying, saving you time. Remember, this tool is for removing debris, not mowing. With a 4.8-star rating from over 200 reviews, homeowners are impressed. Users praise its ease of assembly, lightweight design, and effective performance. Many consider it a great value for the money. One verified buyer on Amazon highlights the straightforward assembly and customizable depth. They also appreciate the large collection bag and quick-fold storage. Another user loves how quiet it is. The Tiectown 2-in-1 Electric Dethatcher and Scarifier is a solid investment. It's perfect for homeowners seeking an efficient and user-friendly lawn care solution. It helps maintain a healthy and beautiful lawn. Ready to give your lawn the care it deserves? Head over to the product page on Amazon to learn more and make your purchase. Don't forget to check out the customer reviews for real-world insights.